Hey, what's up people? Welcome back to another video. So in this short video, I'll show you how to collect targeted emails for marketing. So this short video is going to explain how you can collect emails out of Google search and the web for your cold email or your email marketing campaign. It's going to be very easy tutorial, and we're going to be using a email extraction tool which is available online. Okay, I'll show you how to use that tool and how to leverage Google search to collect as many emails possible, and probably go ahead and verify those emails or validate those emails and clean them. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. All right, as you can see, you're on my computer screen right now. I'm at google.com. So please note we're gonna be using Google with some special commands, so Google can give us some special results with the emails. So I'll show you how to use these commands, and I'll also include them in the description so it's easy for you, and I'll also include the email tool that we're gonna use in the description. Okay, so first off, you need to hit that search bar and open a flower bracket and type the profession that you're targeting to collect the emails. Let's say, for example, you're looking for software engineer or software developer. I'll type software developer and close this flower bracket. And don't forget to mention powered by WordPress, because most of the websites are powered by WordPress. And enter and followed by the email client. Let's say in most of the cases it's Gmail, so include gmail.com with invitation commas like this, and type or, and let's include another email client like iCloud or yahoo.com. All right, this is how it is. I will leave this text in the description so it's easier for you to search and test it out. So after you mention this command, don't forget to hit enter. It's asking me to verify. Let's verify this. Just a minute. The page has been verified, and you can see we are seeing some results. To maximize the results, just click on tools and go to advanced search, and here you can change the number of results that you're gonna get. I'll change this to 100 to 150, then click on advanced search or save. All right, so you can see we have this many results. The Google is giving us all these results, and this has some emails that we can collect. So this is how you can give the commands. And now let's go to the second part of this video, where I'm going to be showing you a beautiful tool called emailchecker.net. So this is the website. I'll leave a link in the description. It is email extractor that is going to help you extract emails from the text. Okay, so open this and shout out to the owner of this website. It's a beautiful tool. I want you guys to use this and also use their premium plans, and use this to maximize your operations, your projects, however you want to use this tool. Okay, so now the next step is to just copy this web page. I'll copy as many results as possible. Let's say I'll copy these many results. Okay, I'll copy and go back to this tool and enter this text here. You just need to paste it here and click on extract email. So now this will remove all the text and only give you the emails. You can see we have so many emails here. 37 emails have been found using that text, thanks to this beautiful tool. Okay, so now you can either select all and paste this in Excel. I'll show you how to do that. Well, I don't have to show you how to do that. It's very easy. So let's paste special, only text. Boom, you have all these emails are here. All right, so we can see we have this 38 emails. Okay, so now go back to Google search and start copying the other text, because this text sorry, this email extractor has a limitation of 100 characters. So if you want to use this email extractor to the maximum, let's say you have a big project and you want to have hundreds, you want to collect hundreds and thousands of emails, then I would suggest you to go for their premium plan. Okay, if you don't want to do this over and over for all the results, you can just click on menu and go for their premium plan, or check out their other tools, like they have some different tools such as email verifier, which is also a really good tool. And there's something called bulk email checker. So this will not only check your emails, it will verify, it will see whether these emails are valid, if it is gonna bounce or not. And also gonna give you a really high accuracy, and you're gonna get some credits when you pay them a very minimal amount, like $27. Or just check out their plans, they have some really good plans you can opt for. And regarding this tool, the email extractor where I have shown you today, you just need to select the results and extract your emails and just export them yourself manually. This is a free tool with some limitations because you're a free user. And you can also check for their API if you want to integrate that in your projects or your website. All right, then once again, shout out to the owner of emailchecker.net. Thank you so much for creating a tool like this, which is going to help a lot of people, not only to collect emails, but also to for a lot of data analysts and software engineers, data engineers to do their job. So thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care. For more useful videos like this, don't forget to check out my channel. I have a dedicated playlist for a lot of different things. Like I have a playlist for useful tools, you can check them out. I have playlist for Google Chrome tips and tricks, and I have some videos on Windows troubleshooting, how to fix Windows and this websites. And I have a dedicated playlist on website speed optimization, cPanel, how to design your website, WordPress, and a lot more are coming up. So don't forget to subscribe and check out my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.